Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use the eye contact feature on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. After that, you just need to go and of course log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the projects, quick recordings, AI speakers templates, and we have the private workspace. In the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your profile and the new project also here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the eye contact feature on the script. First of all, launch the script and open the project containing the video you want to edit. So basically go to new project or click create a video here if you of course want, and then click on the video in the timeline to select it. In the right sidebar, click on layer and then go and click on effects. Look for the eye contact option and click to enable it. The script will start processing your video to adjust your gaze. The processing time will vary based on video duration and your internet connection. Once done, you can preview the effect. If you want to turn the effect on or off during specific parts of the video, create a scene and toggle the effect on or off from the sidebar. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.